Welcome back to another episode of Ask the Attorney. I'm your host, Alex Alexander with the Keiko Ad Agency. I'm excited today to bring Patrick on. He's with Hale Law from HaleLaw.com. Patrick, how are you doing today, man?
Hey, Alex, thanks for having me. I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm short, bold, and a little bit incredible. Thank you for asking. So we're going to get into what you guys do. I mean, obviously, you're licensed in the state of Florida. Is there a specific area that you do most of your business in, or are you pretty much statewide?
Hey, we're pretty much statewide. We've got our main office here in Sarasota. We have a couple of other offices around the Suncoast area, as well as other parts of Florida, just so we can better serve our clients. But we're here and available right now, virtually speaking, because of the state of COVID right now. So whoever needs us, we're here for you. You can call us anytime, 941-735-4529. We give free consultations. So, we can see if this is a good fit. If not, we'll refer you to someone else and just get you the best help, because we're here for people. We're here for anyone in need.
I respect that, man. So, basically somebody comes in and they have a case that maybe someone else has a better fit. You have the option of giving them somebody that give them the best possible representation. So you guys primarily talk about what you guys do primarily with Hale Law, what your focus is.
Exactly. So if you have a heart problem, you want to see a heart doctor. And we're personal injury attorneys. It's all we do. If you have something else or another legal issue going on, we're going to refer you to something else. So we're doing in the personal injury umbrella, we're handling auto accident cases, slip and fall cases, trip and fall cases, wrongful death cases, pretty much any type of injury at all. But if it involves some sort of medical malpractice or a workers' compensation issue, we're going to get you to one of those doctors, because we are just personal injury attorneys, and we will concentrate on what we do best and let others handle what they need to for our clients in need.
That's awesome. So, we always ask these crazy questions of people, and what about this? What about this? So with the attorneys, we kind of ask you, what's your approach or philosophy to winning or representing a case? Is there a certain approach you guys take, or just kind of describe what your philosophy is for winning?
Yeah, our philosophy for winning is just getting to know our clients, hearing about what they've been through from start to finish of their treatment, or if they haven't finished their treatment, what are they going through on a daily basis? And, unfortunately, sometimes even after a client's gone through surgery, they've done everything they can do, including changing their bodies forever. They're still going through a lot. And a lot of these insurance companies, they're just not here to do what's right or do what's best for the clients. So we advocate to them what only the client could ever express, and we do that best by getting to know who they are, and that's the approach we take on every case.
So that makes sense, right? So you have an insurance company who has an actuary that's telling them this is worth this, but they don't really have the personal touch or the human touch, right? So they're saying, well, this is a number, but you're not representing a number. You're representing someone who has a life that's been affected more than just a broken arm or slip, whatever the case may be. But you have someone that their life has been affected that way. So you're representing them to make sure that all those aspects of their life that's been touched have some sort of monetary value. Is that something like that?
Exactly. And I got to be honest with you, Alex, I get heated during conversations I have with insurance companies, because I listen to my clients. I hear what they're saying. I know what they're going through their words to me. I don't actually know what they're going through, but I just get fired up. And just like the Lightning did to the Dallas Stars last night, winning the cup, I get fired up, and I go after these insurance companies for my clients, because I know what they deserve, and I fight for every penny for them.
Well, that's awesome. So I guess the thing I should push right now is that if you are hearing this and you're somewhere in the state of Florida, and you feel like you've either been in an accident recently, or something like that, and you want to speak to somebody regarding that the very first thing they should do is obviously call you up. Is that right?
Yeah, I'd say the sooner the better, because once we get involved in an accident from the start, we can better help the client in terms of, getting to see doctors right away, getting the evidence they need right away, because you don't know the extent of your injuries as soon as an accident happens, or even after just one visit to a doctor. It's something that's going to take time. See how someone feels after many months of physical therapy, if something more invasive is going to be needed. So the sooner we can get in, the better we can help to essentially plan out, what a client is looking at, give them the best advice possible, and whatever they want to do. They're the captains of the ship, and they tell us where they want to go. We're just here to help navigate the waters.
Well, that's awesome. So basically, I mean, here's the thing: is nobody knows they need you until they need you. So I want to get the message out right now that obviously keep top of mind HaleLaw.com, and of course keep Patrick in your mind as well, because you should talk to him. But if so that we know that in the future, if something were to happen, you're living here in the state of Florida, some sort of accident, injury, personal injury, that kind of thing happens, that Hale Law should be on the top of the mind. So I want to make sure that everybody knows that. I want to thank you for coming on today and talking about Hale Law. I'd like to thank everybody here for tuning in this episode of Ask the Attorney. If you'd like to know more about Patrick from Hale Law, of course, go to HaleLaw.com, but also come right here to IWantToBuzz.com. And we're going to see you next time on Buzz TV. Do something good for yourself and do something good for others.